I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here at the Sykesville Signals and the Sykesville Tunnel with DMV AvGeek here in Sykesville, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. This is the second time I have been to this spot, and today I'm going for the exact same train that I went for the first time I went here, which, well, despite being called Q and not M, the first time I came here it was Q372, this time it's M372. So yes, this video will feature M372 heading eastbound on the Old Main Line. And this 372 has some goodies on it. I believe it has 2 EMDs trailing, likely dead in tow, but hey, that's way better than nothing. I love EMDs regardless. And then I was also told that this train has some maintenance of way equipment on it, so that should be cool. And it also has a back DPU. This is a 352 axle M372, which is relatively short. So yeah, that's all I have for the intro. And I hope you guys enjoy this video of M372 passing through the green foliage here in springtime. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. All right, the signals have turned on here. Well, the one signal, the Sykesville signals, high clear, which means the train is here and it just passed Hoods Mill Road. I'm gonna walk down here and we're gonna see it on the straightaway. The unfortunate thing is 1080/60 doesn't pick up as much zoom as 2160/30, but that's okay.
And also you're standing
So
right next to me.
yes, I am. So here comes 372. Alrighty. Oh, it just got windy.
Where are the winds?
Shh. It's honking at Gaither Road. So any second we'll be going through the tunnel.
Oh.
There it is, way off in the distance. Definitely mixed freight. I see a light. Honks to the tunnel.
Very subtle honks through the tunnel.
They like to do that.
This video is gonna have Sussy Hammer in the background. Oh my god.
Two Jeeps, both Dash 2s. I like the Dash 2s, my favorites. Well, any standard cab. Not a huge fan of the SpongeBob's, although they're not bad. I'll take it over most engines. Lots of tankers, of course. As I've mentioned a million times, we're talking precisely now, these tankers are the reason why 372 takes the Old Main. Any hazardous chemicals, they can't send them for DC. Unless the train literally has to, like if it goes down south. So I'm assuming the maintenance of way is going to be in the back. I don't know. Most of the trains I've seen with maintenance of way have been in the front. Let's see. Grace Davidson, I've never seen that before. Now we got some center beams. Sierra Pacific lumber. Corn syrup, nice. I like seeing corn syrup. I hope there's maintenance of way. It's gonna be sad if I was misinformed. A toll hopper. Oh, here's the maintenance of way. Oh, it's balance cars. Ah, conrail. That is cool. That was really cool. I've never seen that before.
I even did your thumbnail.
There goes M372. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching this video of M372 and here from Sykesville, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video have a great day.
Yeah.